Welcome to the Beamish Blogcast on this Tuesday. It's May 6, 2014. I'm going to try really hard to put a positive spin on the forecast because today we are looking at gusty winds, a high fire danger, localized blowing dust on I-10. So not a lot of good news for your Tuesday. So let's start with the good and then we'll get to the bad. The sneeze meter. Not so good today, 7 out of 10, still in that high territory as mesquite, olive, and ragweed being kicked up by the winds. But notice, we'll see the sneeze meter drop off the rest of the week as the winds begin to calm down Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 5 out of 10 for the end of the week on that sneeze meter, so that is the good news. All right, let's get into the bad now. Cold front just off to the west. That's going to throw some high cloud cover in our direction this afternoon, but the main weather story will be the winds that front kicks up. We do have a wind advisory out for areas east of Tucson. This is eastern Cochise County, 10 o'clock this morning till 7 o'clock this evening. Southwest winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. That could kick up some blowing dust on I-10 near the Wilcox Playa, so if you are traveling out toward New Mexico, do be aware of that. Not only talking about the potential for blowing dust, also talking about a high fire danger. This is our wildfire index. Notice where the orange and red colors are. That indicates a high fire danger, gusty winds, low relative humidity, and dry fuels on the valley floors. And we are under a red flag warning. Tucson, Nogales areas to the east, and that also starting up at 10 o'clock this morning, expiring 7 o'clock this evening. Might be a good day just to hold off on the barbecue. Outdoor burning not recommended. Forecast winds this afternoon coming out of the west-southwest, 20 to 30 miles per hour, stronger near the New Mexico state line. Here in Tucson, we'll see gusts up to 40 miles per hour, certainly not out of the question. Let's fast forward to tomorrow morning, waking up on your Wednesday, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. Those winds will really ease off as we're heading after sunset and likely around midnight. And then tomorrow, still a little breezy east of Tucson, but within the metro proper, and for most of southern Arizona, those winds much calmer, I think 10 to 15 miles per hour coming out of the west. A look at your TrueView 4 extended forecast, and we're going to end with good news. 87 this afternoon, but heading into tomorrow, not only less wind, cooler temperatures. Yeah, we're talking mid to upper 70s for daytime highs, and yes, folks, it's still early May here in Tucson. Enjoy it because the 80s are back on Friday, and then the 90s return just in time for Mother's Day. But still, no 100s in the forecast. Ice Break 2014 continues. Make sure to get those guesses in, kvoa.com. Click on the link top left of the homepage. Thanks for logging on. I'll see you later on today for News 4 Tucson at noon.